Hi friends, in this video I am going to unbox and show DIGITEK background stand kit. So this background stand kit is for backdrop photography and videography. It's portable and foldable, and we will also get a bag. It has 3 sections to adjust height, width also adjustable. It is lightweight and steady. It has spring loading for shock absorption. Its maximum height is 250 centimeter. Folded height is 3.2 feet, that is around 38.5 inch. Total weight is 5500 grams. We can also use it as a stand for ring light, reflector, flash unit, DSLR camera, etc. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.